Hey folks, Luxinda Swirl here. We are going to do another pour today. Woo woo! Okay, real quickly, I have an 8x10 canvas, so we need 5 ounces of paint minimum. I am going to use Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paints. I'm going to use a little bit of black, silver, metallic white, deep yellow, phthalo blue, bright yellow, aqua green, and sap green. And here's what we're going to do. I'm going to layer this bowl about halfway full. It's a 10-ounce bowl, so about halfway. The thing I'm going to pour over today, but we have a 3-piece set here from Dollar Tree. This is obviously meant for kids to play in the sandbox. I'm going to save this for a much bigger canvas, I think, and we'll do that another time. The shovel, I'm not sure I'm ever going to pour over, because if you pour this side up, a bunch will get stuck here and most of it will get stuck there. If you pour on the other side, then it'll all get stuck in the rims. So I may just not use that. And then we have, what I find interesting here is the rake. I was thinking about starting like this and having it standing up, but it doesn't want to stand on its own, and I didn't want to rig some contraption. So I am going to put it down like that. And even though some may get stuck here, well, if it gets stuck in here, it won't. It'll pour out this hole. If it gets stuck in here, I can do that, which is probably the last thing I do before I take it off. So that's what we're going to pour over. But first, it's time to layer our paint. So here we go. Let's see. I'll start with white. All right. Okay. Let us pour. Here we go. I'll let that continue moving for a second. I'm not really planning on worrying about the rake itself being decorated or anything. I don't think that's going to be a thing. Okay, put that on there. That's interesting looking. And now we tilt. corners here. Certainly is green, huh? But I wanted to keep a bunch of the phthalo blue in and not so much of the yellow. I knew that the yellow would, it tends to take over. I didn't have too much black taking over, but that's nice. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, let me get my hands cleaned up and we will go in for our close-up. Now for the close-up. Here we are at the lower right corner. Up the right-hand side. I like that right there. Very cool. To the upper right corner. Across the top. Upper left. Down the left-hand side. To the lower left. And across the bottom. So yeah, this would be my favorite part in here, I think. And this over here. And this down here. Pretty much all the blue. Surprise, surprise. Okay. Get that in frame and in focus. Well, there you have it, folks. What is the weirdest thing you poured over? Leave me a comment below. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.